So we already know what a prime number is. Now let's look at prime factorization. The method we're going to be using is called the tree method. So let's separate 20. We know that 20 is not a prime number, so we can separate it. We can do this by writing 4 times 5. Now let's look at the number 4. Can we separate the number 4? Or is 4 a prime number? No. We can separate it even further. 4 can be written as 2 times 2. Now let's look at the number 2. Can we separate the number 2? No, we can't. So 2 is a prime number. Here also 2 is a prime number. Now we look at the 5. Can we separate 5? Again, no. We can't. So we're going to circle it. So we can write 20. We can write it as 2 times 2. We only take the numbers that are circled. Times 5. Now we have another way to separate 20. We can say 10 times 2. Now we look at the 10. 10 is not a prime number. We can separate it even further. 10 can be written as 5 times 2. Now 5 is a prime number, so we're going to circle that. 2 is also a prime number. And here, 2 is again a prime number. It doesn't matter which way we do it. Look, we get the same answer. 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. Let's try 150. Of course, there are a couple ways to separate it. But we're going to use just 15 times 10. Now we continue with the 15. How can we write 15? 5 times 3. 5 is prime, so we circle it. 3 is also prime. We cannot separate it even further, so we circle it. Now we go back to the 10. We can write 10 as 5 times 2. Now 5 is a prime number, 2 is also a prime number. So we circle the prime numbers. So 150 can be written as 5 times 5 times 3 times 2. I'm going to use another way to separate 150 to show you that it really doesn't matter which way we do it. So we can write 150 as 5 times 30. 5 times 30 is 150. 5 is a prime number, so we circle it. 30, we can write it as 3 times 10. 3 is a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. 10 is a composite number. We can write it as 5 times 2. Now we get that 5 is a prime number, 2 is also a prime number. Look, 5 here, and we have one 5 here. Another 5, another 5. A 3, a 3. A 2, a 2. So it really doesn't matter. 77. 77 can be written as 7 times 11. Can we separate 7 further? No. 7 is a prime number. 11 is also a prime number. We cannot separate it. And that's it. 77 is just 7 times 11. Let's try 81. Well, 81, we know that is 9 times 9. Is 9 a prime number? No. 9 is a composite number. 9 can be written as 3 times 3. Is 3 a prime number? Yes, we circle it. Now we look at the other 9. We said 9 is 3 times 3. Number 3 is prime. So we get that 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Let's try 24. 24 can be written as 6 times 4. 6 is not a prime number. We can separate it as 3 times 2. 3 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. And now we look at the 4. Number 4 can be written as 2 times 2. And we know that 2 is prime. So we get that 24 is 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. So these numbers are the prime factors. These numbers are the prime factors of 24. Let's try 17. How can we separate 17? Well, we can't. 17 is prime. That's it. 17 is prime. We cannot separate it. So now try to find the prime factors of these 5 numbers. Leave your answers in the comments below. And of course, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch my previous videos.